Hello, stand fans. I'm the PC Expert Amateur, and we're going to take a look at the Benriotel or Benriotel. I can't say how to pronounce it. Couldn't find any information online for the pronunciation, but this is a laptop and tablet stand with a foldable phone holder. Now, it's kind of nice because you can rotate it. I'm not sure why you would need to rotate it that much, but hey, with the stand being able to be adjusted so much, it is certainly going to be helpful to have that. And you can put it up on top as well. It just depends on where you want to put it. And you can fold it away when you're not using it. It also comes with this metal ring, which has this adhesive backing on one side. I already took off the blue plastic that was on this side, but you will attach this to the back of your phone. Unfortunately, although this is certainly strong enough, the magnet that is hiding behind the magnet is strong enough to hold that ring in place. However, I tried putting the magnet inside of my case, and this is a very nice protective case. Unfortunately, it's about 2 millimeters thick, and I think that's about 1 millimeter too thick for the magnet because the magnet could not hold on to this, let alone when I let go. So, yeah, unfortunately, they need to use a stronger magnet perhaps, or you just have to take your phone out of the case anytime you want to slap it on there. The other problem that I discovered with the holder here is that when they attach this rubber, well, two problems really. When they attach this rubber, it's about maybe 0.5 millimeter too far this way. And so the rubber on this end of the joint tends to get a little bit mangled when you're moving it around. Oh well, so much for precision. Also, all of the rubber on here is made of a very slippery kind of rubber, especially when you get like dust on it or something. But for some reason, this seems to be even slicker than these over here. And that means that it's going to be more likely to slip off. I wish they'd used texturized rubber. I guess you could probably like take a knife and run it across a few times very gently just to, score it so that it has some texture to it. And the same problem is with these, but fortunately there are these two tabs at the bottom that will hold the laptop or tablet in place. I wish they had adjustable tabs on here that were more of a hook so that you could adjust it to the thickness of your device, which would be a nice touch. This particular unit that I received, as you can see here and here perhaps, there's some damage, and it was in a bubble wrap bag, so I'm not sure how the damage happened. I thought maybe it was just like garbage, or not garbage, but like gunk or something like that, but it doesn't come off. Also, there are these weird, almost invisible stains here and here and here on the metal, and I'm not sure what caused those, but I couldn't remove those either. So yeah, a little bit of a disappointment that they didn't have more concern for the appearance of the product on receipt. I don't know if somebody else got this and returned it and then it was sent to me or what happened. You can adjust the height and the tilt. You can also rotate it because it's got that nice ball bearing thing there. If you are not happy with the tension of the arms, you can use a hex wrench to loosen up the bolts. It does not have it included, however. One of the things, and I'm comparing this to the Mikuso that I reviewed yesterday. One of the things about this one is they had the foresight to put little pieces of rubber here and here, as well as on here to help reduce damage by those parts to the metal. They didn't think about the possibility of putting rubber here because this part can come in contact with the base. There is one other concern, and the concern is this. This product is slightly larger than the Mikuso. It's almost a centimeter longer this way, lengthwise, and then widthwise it's like half a centimeter wider, but it's not enough because my laptop still can cause this in the right position to tip off of the stand. Additionally, and this is frustrating, the base of this one is smaller than the base for the Mikuso. Whereas the Mikuso is rectangular, being wider this way, and you can rotate it so that it forms an extra support for your heavy laptop. This one is square, so you cannot do that. And that's frustrating for me because I was really hoping, in many ways this is at least a little bit superior to the Mikuso, but the fact that they made the base smaller kind of defeats all the gains I got in getting this unit. I can live with the weird stains and the little scratches, but I need to know that my laptop isn't going to go ploop backwards off the stand or fall down with the stand because, obviously that's not good for the computer. So I do really like it, and I hope that they will come out with another version that takes into consideration that there are laptops out there that are big and heavy, especially on the side where the battery and the display both are. What do you think about this? I mean, it's easy to store away since it's so compact, and it provides a lot of options. Would you use something like this? Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Need to ask for your help. I'm sorry. On December 11th, 2024, Amazon terminated me and used false accusations against me. And on December 17th, I had my left shoulder operated on. I'm getting a lot better. I can do some things with my hand and my arm, but it's still pretty limited. If you could please help me out by liking, subscribing, sharing, commenting, and turning on notifications for my channels, that would really help. If you want to help me financially and you can afford to, you can go to my Glenn's Fast Reviews and you can do a super thanks as a donation there. If you want to donate on a monthly basis, you can become a member there. And or you can go to patreon.com/GLENNMII. So thank you for that. Also, I'd like to say thank you to bleepingcomputer.com for allowing me to post messages on their forum about my videos. Thank you so much. And don't forget to visit them. They offer a lot of wonderful resources for people who are using computers. Have a wonderful day. Thank you. Plastic, the rubber, is is strong enough. Shall I start over? I will. Rubber is strong enough. No, not the rubber.